Hello. I just made this dough about an hour and a half ago, and it's risen quite nicely. You can check that video if you want to see me making this dough. Check the end of the video. I'll provide a link for this dough here that I made today. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to get my assistant. We're going to roll out this dough, and then what we're going to do for fun, we're going to cut out little shapes with the glass, and we might just use this instead, just a little metal ring that I got over at the dollar store. And these are like little, pizzas for parties, or kids have fun with them. And anyway, so we'll try that out, and we'll see how we'll see how they turn out. That's a beautiful airy dough, very supple and moist. You can see how nice that dough is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll it out, get it nice and large, and then we'll cut some shapes out of this dough. Okay, we're back, and we've put a little bit of flour here. You always want to flour your glass or whatever you're going to cut, just like when you're doing any kind of cookie, when you're using a cookie cutter. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your glass and you're going to give it a little cut. Hopefully it opens properly, cuts properly, and then you're going to put it on your baking sheet. So I'm going to get my assistant to do a few more, and we'll be back. That's a good one. Perfect. I think I have a very good helper here. And one more should do it. Okay, my assistant, now we're just going to move them, space them evenly, just to give them a little bit more breathing room. And then we're going to use my homemade pizza sauce that I made. I can provide a link for that at the end of this video. Alright, what we'll do is we'll finish the rest of these up, and we'll come back when they're done.